My screen is visible, right? Or no? Just a minute. Fine. We'll start today automation. Okay, automation using Selenium WebDriver. Automation using Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so before starting or before diving into automation, I would like to understand what is your understanding on automation. Any input? I mean, what you understand by automation? Anyone, please. Mm, see, automation is not only testing, right? Automation is everywhere. Suppose in industry you have PLC DCS, right? So what are those? Any idea? PLC DCS, industrial automation. Now suppose you are using that the automation to generate some test data. Possible? So automation testing is a wrong term. Okay, uh, it is automation is in testing. Okay, automation in testing. So actual term should be, what we are going to learn is automation in testing. Okay. Now, what is automation? Automation is you can do some work automatically or repetitive work automatically. Correct? You can do some repetitive work automatically, so that uh, you can involve your brain on something exploratory things, right? Suppose creating test data, you are creating test data manually by clicking on your mouse 100 times, okay, and you are repeating the same thing. So automation concept is saying, let uh, I mean let the automation engineer or developer create a script create a script which will work as a robot. Robot means which will automatically execute the flow to create the test data. Okay. Similarly, suppose after each release you have to do same set of test cases as a regression test, right? It is very common. Same set of test cases you execute to ensure that with new release, with new development, because of new development, the old flows are not broken. That is regression. That is regression testing. So that regression testing, you execute the same test cases basically multiple times after each after each sprint or after each deployment, right? So those kind of things can be automated using some testware. Testware means some tools. Okay, that doesn't mean the testing is automation, or there is nothing called manual testing. Okay, so it is testing. Okay, we will use automation or testwares in testing. to do the repetitive work automatically, to perform the repetitive work automatically, so that our brain can be involved in the exploratory testing. Exploratory testing, how many of you knows about exploratory testing? Any idea about exploratory testing? And which is very important, by the way. Exploratory testing is the testing where maximum defect can be found. Exploratory testing is the testing which are not documented. Okay, you have not created the test cases, but you are exploring the application with different kind of flows, different kind of approach, and you are and that is the way you can get maximum defects, by the way. Or maybe you can provide some feedback, good feedback, that this should not be like this, this should be more faster, this should be, the button should be not that big, it should be smaller, it is not looking good. So this kind of feedback you have to provide. So how you will provide it? It will be through exploratory testing. Okay, the exploratory testing means the flows are not documented somehow, okay, or pre-documented. Okay, there are some test cases, predefined test cases, but apart from those test cases also you have to test some additional scenarios. Those additional scenarios are called exploratory testing. Okay, you are exploring something and you are testing, and you are verifying that whether it is according to your requirement or not. Got it? So these kind of we are automating the test cases or repetitive test cases, so that we can involve our brain to this kind of exploratory testing much. And when you will involve your brain to explore the application, you will get more defects. You will get more defects or more errors in your application. Okay, so what is Selenium? Now the question is, what is Selenium? The Selenium has captured the market from 2014 2015. Before that, when I joined industry, I used to work with a tool called QTP, Quick Test Professional. And before that, I used to work with Test Partner. And then gradually QTP moved to QTP 11, which is called UFT, Unified Functional Tester. QTP is upgrade, means 11 plus version is UFT, right? Now no one is using UFT. Okay, everyone is already actually migrated to Selenium. Why? There are many advantages of Test Partner, QTP, UFT. Like UFT has its own inbuilt object repository. Okay, UFT has, it can be used for both Windows based as well as web applications, as well as also can be used in mobile testing with some other other libraries. Then record and playback is available. If someone is not good at programming, they can do this record and playback. But even though QTP and UFT Test Partner, those tools has these kind of advantages, but industry has moved to Selenium. Why? Any idea? Because Selenium is an open source automation tool. Open source automation tool. Selenium had some versions. Okay, first version was Selenium IDE. Then we will discuss. Then we had Selenium RC or remote control, and now it is Selenium WebDriver. So Selenium, when there was a time, I mean, when I started Selenium coding, there was a version called Selenium RC, okay, which was JavaScript based. The Selenium RC used to use JavaScript injection, okay, to the DOM. That was somehow not secure. Any injection, any SQL injection, any string injection, any JavaScript injection is not secure, is not considered as secured, okay, as per the security concern, okay, for the application security, those injections are not secured. When Selenium jumped to WebDriver, right? Selenium WebDriver comes, or Selenium WebDriver starts from Selenium 2, then Selenium 3, now Selenium 4.x.x is latest version. So from Selenium 2 or Selenium WebDriver, they have migrated to Java, and it is now not using some JavaScript injection. So Selenium is now can be considered as a much more secure, rather very secure automation tool. Okay, so right now neither Selenium IDE exists, or it exists, but no one uses it. It is basically a browser dependent tool where you will have some record and playback facilities, but no one uses that. Selenium IDE. Mainly Selenium IDE is supported by Firefox. Okay, it's not, they do not have any plugin for Chrome, they do not have any plugin for any other browsers. Only Selenium IDE can be used in Firefox. Okay, it's a browser based plugin. Okay, now Selenium RC remote control, no one uses it because it has a problem of JavaScript injection or security concern. So Selenium RC no one uses right now. Right now Selenium is supporting the version is Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is the only supported version for automation. Okay, so what is this Selenium WebDriver? So Selenium, we have several parts, right? Selenium Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, and right now we are using Selenium WebDriver. And another thing we have which works on Selenium WebDriver, but it has some advantage, okay, which is called Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid is basically to execute any test cases remotely. Okay, remotely. We'll see how we are setting up and all. We'll see. But the main conceptual thing is right now is what? Selenium WebDriver. Okay. Now we are talking about Selenium. So what is Selenium basically? What is Selenium? Selenium is a Java-based project which will provide some libraries to interact with your browser. So Selenium automation or as an automation tool, Selenium can be used only for browser automation or web automation. Okay, only standalone way, obviously in standalone way, Selenium WebDriver can be used only with what? Only with browser automation. With APM and other library, we can also use some Windows based application and mobile application. But right now, what we are targeting is Windows, that browser automation or web automation. Okay, so Selenium has capability to automate browser or DOM structure, right? So what is Selenium? Selenium is just a group of libraries which is in turn called API, Application Program Interface. Okay, application, what is application program interface in terms of Java? Java's library, methods, programs, everything as a combine, if that combination communicates between two applications, that would be called API. Okay, Selenium WebDriver does that. Selenium WebDriver communicates between your programming and your browser. Okay, that is why Selenium WebDriver is an API, Application Program Interface. Selenium WebDriver is an application program interface, and it works on REST API protocol. It works on REST API protocol. We'll see how it is working on REST API protocol. Okay. Now, Selenium, why Selenium is widely used nowadays? Because Selenium supports many languages. Though it is a Java application, Java library, but it supports multiple languages like C Sharp, C++, Java, obviously Java, Python, Ruby, R, etc. etc. Okay, so there are many languages which are supported by Selenium. Suppose I am a .NET developer, I don't know Java. Okay, no problem, you can still use Selenium, or I can still use Selenium with C++ or C Sharp, right? Suppose I am a VBScript developer, so still I can use VBScript to do the Selenium or to script the Selenium things, right? Suppose I am Python expert, I can also use Selenium. Okay, so multiple language support is another advantage of Selenium. But in case of, if you talk about some other tools like QTP, UFT, Test Partner, those are only Windows based and .NET framework language, means VBScript was supported. Okay, that time only VBScript was supported. So we also could use some Java, but that was not that good, that great experience. Okay, but in Selenium it's plug and play kind of thing. Okay, it's a plug and play kind of thing, right? Okay, now how Selenium works, or how or what is the architecture behind the Selenium. You are using your programming language or your code, right? Your code, this is your code. Now it could be Java, it could be Python, okay, it could be C++, it could be of anything, right? It could be .R language, it could be .Ruby, So any language you can write your program. Okay, any language, in any language you can write your program. So what Selenium does at the uh, starting, I mean at whenever we are executing the program, right, or we are compiling the program, Selenium has a JSON where protocol. Selenium has internally a JSON where protocol. JSON where protocol. What this protocol you do, I mean, do you know what is protocol? Protocol is a set of rule. Okay, protocol is a set of rules, right? So what this particular protocol does, JSON wire protocol, whatever you are getting, right, .java, .py, C++, R, Ruby, whatever you are getting, your Java instruction or your programming instruction will be converted to a JSON file or JSON request. JSON is like, suppose all of you speak Marathi and I speak Bengali as a native language, or maybe some of you speak Kannada, I speak Bengali, maybe Rupali speaks some other language like Malayalam, and then Nirmal speaks again Marathi. So some of you are Marathi, some of you are Malayalam or Kannada, and I speak Bengali as a native language. But if I speak in Bengali in the class, do you understand Bengali? No, right? It's not worldwide understandable language. Similarly, Marathi is not worldwide understandable language. Correct? You cannot talk in Marathi to your client, US client, or to your UK client, European client. Correct? Japanese people cannot talk in Japanese with Indian, with Chinese people. So what is the common language then? Common language is English. Common language is English. So what we speak in English. Right? I am speaking or I am teaching in English. You are asking your question in English, so that we both are in a good shape, that we are understanding each other. Correct? The same way in the technical world, in the programming world, we have certain languages which are understandable by any programming language, or some instruction based languages are there. What are those instruction based languages? One of them is JSON. Okay, JavaScript object notation is the full form of JSON, but it is a kind of request, whatever request you are providing, na, you have to provide in JSON file. Okay, JSON format. So JSON format is somehow like this. Okay, this is opening bracket and closing bracket, and here suppose name. In name you are providing XYZ. Suppose address, Pune. So like that. Okay, this is the structure. It is kind of plain text, not plain text actually. It is kind of very easy to understand language. Okay, and it is worldwide accepted language. So any language will be converted, or the request of ultimately you are requesting your engine to execute something, right? For any programming, suppose you are adding two numbers. What are you doing? You are instructing your computer to, or you are requesting your computer to add two numbers. Correct? So this is the request. So that request language will be converted to a JSON format. JSON format. Whenever it converts the programming language to JSON format, now it is available for everyone. I speak Bengali. There are someone, okay, between you and me, who converts my Bengali language to English language. Whenever my language converted to English, then you will be understanding properly, right? So this JSON file will be any browser will be understanding this JSON language. Okay. Now there is another component. So your code is converted to JSON. Now there will be some browser drivers. Okay, browser drivers. So browser drivers are what? Suppose Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Edge driver, let's say some other Safari driver. If you are using Mac, Safari driver would be there, right? So these drivers are standalone applications. Okay, these you have to download in your system. Okay, you are providing this JSON request to these applications. Okay, these browser drivers, and this browser driver, according to your request, will work on your browser. This is your browser, and browser DOM. Browser DOM means what? Suppose this is my let's say SpiceJet application. Okay, now SpiceJet application, this application is what? This application is nothing but its skeleton is some HTML code, correct? This HTML code is called the DOM. See, document object model. Doc type HTML is document object model. Okay, so these drivers according to your browser type. Browser type means, suppose you are using Chrome browser, right? Chrome browser, the Chrome driver will work on your DOM, manipulate DOM. Manipulate DOM means you are finding out some element, right? Or you are clicking some element, you are putting some text to your element. That is called manipulation of DOM. Okay, suppose you are using Firefox driver. Okay, Firefox driver, then Firefox browser, then Firefox driver will work. Suppose you are using Edge browser, Edge driver will work here. What will work? I mean, what is the input of these driver files or driver softwares or driver applications? The JSON. What is JSON? JSON is nothing but converted form of your code. Converted form of your code. And your code cannot directly interact with the browser. These are the steps in between we have. First, your code will be converted to JSON. Then it will be work on these browser drivers. These browser drivers will work on your browser DOM, or manipulation of your browser DOM or application DOM. JSON wire protocol is a decoder, you can say JSON wire protocol, but JSON is a language. JSON wire protocol is an interpreter. JSON wire protocol. This is the, you can say, is a converter of your code to your JSON. Correct. Correct. So this is how. Sorry. Hmm. Hmm. No, API is whole thing is API. The whole thing is API because this whole thing is actually communicates between your code and your browser, right? And the whole thing is your it is API. Okay, it is API. And this JSON, I mean, it's first converted to JSON, and then with the input of JSON or with the JSON input, this browser driver will work on your DOM. This is your DOM, application DOM. Okay, understood? This is how Selenium WebDriver works. That is why uh, whenever you are executing Selenium script, mandatorily you have to have this browser driver installed or browser driver downloaded on your system. It can be downloaded automatically, but that exe file or whatever file we are using, it should have in your system. Otherwise your program will not run. Okay. Any confusion on this architecture level? No, no. JSON is a request. JSON is a request. And these are the drivers. Okay, these are the separate applications. Suppose for your Windows, there would be some exe files for this. Suppose Chrome driver.exe, Chrome driver.exe. There are several ways to download these things. You can download it manually. Okay, manually. Latest Selenium version, automatically downloads these exe file. Okay, and if you are using some little old Selenium, Selenium 3, even earlier version of Selenium 4, you can have one WebDriver manager. WebDriver manager will automatically download your exe file or this browser driver file to your system. Got it? So based on your browser, whatever browser you are using, you have to download. Suppose Chrome browser you are using, you have to download Chrome driver. Firefox browser you are using, you have to download what? Gecko driver. Okay, Gecko driver. So there are certain driver names. Okay, suppose this is my Chrome. For Chrome browser, it is Chrome driver. Suppose this is, if it is Firefox, it should be Gecko driver. Okay, if it is Edge browser, it should be Edge driver. Whatever browser you are using, corresponding driver exe file or driver browser driver, you have to first download and set the path. Okay, but we will use latest version of Selenium, so that download thing will be handled by Selenium itself. Okay. drivers are browser drivers will be automatically downloaded. Okay, we don't have to do anything. Hmm. Hmm. Into JSON. Hmm. J- no. Can you repeat again? Hmm. See, see, this is your Java code. Okay, this is your browser drivers. Okay, browser drivers. Okay, this is your exe file, you have installed it. Huh? This Java code is not understandable by browser driver. This is another application. Java code is not understandable by browser driver. So browser driver understands what? JSON. Java code can be converted to JSON so that they can communicate to each other. Huh? And this is done by JSON where protocol. JSON where protocol. Okay, and this according to this is a request, right? JSON request. Click on that particular element. You are requesting uh, your system to click on a particular element. Here is your DOM or here is your application. Now this browser driver will go and click on this particular element. Okay. uh, this JSON is not a file, by the way. The output is JSON, right? Output is JSON. Because this Java code is getting converted by JWT to JSON. So output of JWP or Java Wire Protocol is JSON. Correct. 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 Now it is correct. JWP is a system which converts any programming language to JSON. Okay. Now, uh, what we already discussed here is Selenium is a Java library. Java library, right? But it is not internal library. Like we used here, these kind of libraries, right? Maths, arithmetic. Just a minute. Where is that exception handling thing? So whatever this method, um, suppose system.out.println, from where this system class is coming, from the where this out method is coming, from where this println method is coming. So these are coming from Java's internal library, correct? Java's internal library. But Selenium is not Java's internal library. Selenium is external library. Okay, Selenium is an external library, though it is Java based, but Java as a language it is not supported. We have to import those libraries from outside. Okay, we have to import those libraries from outside. Now there are two ways to import the libraries. Okay, there are two ways to import the libraries. One is you can download those libraries or jar files. Jar means Java archive file. Okay, so you can download those jar files and import to your program, import to your code, or you can use some build automation tool, build automation tools to import these libraries on behalf of you. You can use some build automation tools. Okay, what are the build automation tools? We know, or we will learn here. First is Maven, okay, and next is Gradle. There are two automation tools or build automation tools we will use here, either Maven or Gradle. Okay, we'll not install or we'll not download these jar files and import into our code. We'll directly learn some build automation tool which will import these any external libraries. We will use many external libraries, right? So any external libraries can be imported using Maven tool or Gradle tool. Anyone learning anyone will be good, either Maven or Gradle. There are certain differences between Maven and Gradle, but if you know either Maven or Gradle, it is vice versa. And if you know Maven, you can understand Gradle. If you know Gradle, you can understand Maven. Okay, so there is a difference between Maven and Gradle in terms of its usage, in terms of its format of writing, mentioning the libraries. So everything you will get in internet, so no worries. I will see how we can use it. So first thing we will use, or you will learn Maven. Okay, Maven. So Maven is a tool. As I told you, Maven is a tool, and Maven automates your automation, or Maven automates your build. Okay, Maven automates your build. So whatever whatever external libraries you want to install or external libraries you want to import, right, that can be handled by Maven. So there is a file in Maven project, there is a file called pom.xml. Okay, pom.xml. So in pom.xml you can mention it's a XML file. Okay, so you know, right, how XML files looks like. So there would be some this kind of things. Okay, nodes, XML nodes. Okay, first there will be some dependencies. Okay, dependencies. So inside dependencies you can mention all your dependencies. Dependencies means all your external libraries in XML format, and that can be get from your internet. Okay, I'll show you how to get that. So inside this dependencies node, okay, inside this dependencies node you will write all the dependencies, okay, or external libraries. Okay, and you also have one node called build. Okay, in build section you can mention how to build or how to run your project. Okay, how to run your project as a from command line or from some other files, because you have to have the provision to run your code through any CI/CD pipeline, right? Through any CI/CD pipeline, and CI/CD pipeline works on command line. Okay, means Jenkins. Suppose Jenkins you are using or Bamboo you are using, so those you I mean your code should have that provision to uh, run that program or run your code through command line. Command line means from command prompt or from terminal itself with a single command. Okay, so we will use Maven for now. We will use Maven for our build automation. Okay, for our build automation. So to use Maven, what you have to do is you have to install Maven. Okay, you have to install Maven. So install Maven. If you search install Maven, see Maven installing Apache Maven, and or rather you can do one thing, you can just download Maven. Yes, download Maven. Okay, download Maven. So here if you type this download Maven, right, you will get this download page. Okay, you will get this download page. Now what you have to install is you have to install this, or you have to download this zipped file, bin zip file. Okay, don't go for src zip file, only go for this bin zip file, because we need these bin files. Just download it and unzip it. Okay, download it. Yes, yes. Just download it and install it. I am sharing my screen. Just see this Apache Maven 3.9.9 bin zip, bin.zip. Bin zip, bin zip. Not able to find means I am giving you this link. Okay, I am giving you this link. Where is chat? Just a minute. Chat. Just download on this link. Click, only click. Come, I mean, scroll down. Here it is, 3.9, second option. Yes. And put it in your D drive or C drive, anywhere you can do. Okay, or anywhere you just put it and unzip it. You have to unzip it first. Hmm, okay, unzip it. Download is completed, right? Don't double click. Unzip first. Unzip. Right click and extract all. Extract all. Hmm. Ah. Copy it somewhere in your C drive or D drive, whatever. Paste there. Uh, Go inside. Again, go inside. Go inside. Okay, just copy that bin path, or rather, okay, go to bin file, bin folder, and copy the whole path. Okay, now go to edit environment variable for your account. Go search edit environment variable for your account. Not there at the Windows search. Low, sorry, at the bottom. Edit environment variable for your account. The first one. Yes, yes, yes. Now click on path. No, not new. Click on path. Click on path. Edit. Add this. You can add one more line and paste the path. Click on new. Click on new. You will get it. Paste it. Is it pasted or no? Right. I cannot see it. Uh, uh. Maven is not pasted. Now it is. Now OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Yes. Now go to your command prompt. Just type cmd. Okay. Now here put mvn minus v. Mvn space minus v. Enter. So your Maven is installed. MVN command is working fine for you. Okay. So Rupali, are you done? Yes, yes. I am getting your. I am. I can see your browser, not your folder. No. Nirmal, can you see, or you are also seeing this browser? A second one, actually second one. That's no, but she has already downloaded. She told. Bin. Yes, yes, yes. Uh, and now copy the path. The whole bin path. Uh, Edit environment variable for your account. Edit environment variable. Edit environment variable for your account. Uh-huh. Open it. I mean, it is already there. Yes. Go to environment variables. See, click on click on no, 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 wait, click on environment variables. Yes, that button, it will open anyway. Go to path and edit, click on edit. Yes, and add that path. Click on new and uh, click on ok. Hmm. No, that is multiple things are there. There is Java, there is everything. No, edit you have done, right? Editing. Click on OK. Click on OK. Hmm. Yes, OK or close it. Now, MVN. No, 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 no. Just MVN. So Maven is installed on your system. Okay. Fine. Fine. Now what we have to do? We have to create a Maven based project. We have to create a Maven based project. Let me share my screen. My screen is visible, right? So what you do here, uh, okay, let me unshare and share it again. Now is it fine? Actual page means fine, right? Okay. Anyone else is sharing his or her I mean, anyone else is sharing your screen? Uh, Let me check. Okay, now it's fine, right? Okay, fine. So what we'll do is we will create a folder, okay, where we'll keep our project. So in my case, I will create this in document. Okay, you can create in your D drive or C drive, whatever you are comfortable with. Okay, I am creating a folder here. So folder name will be, for my case, let's say uh, August automation batch. August automation batch. Okay, this is my new folder where I am going to create my Maven project. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to open this VS code on that particular folder. So what you can do, uh, go inside the folder and right click and open the folder, and in my case I have to do this open folder thing. August automation batch, I will select and open. So I will get a blank project here, blank project. Are you done till now? Yes, open with code. Okay, now directly do not click here and there, directly click, I mean open a new terminal, and your terminal should be opened in this new folder. Anywhere you can just a minute. uh, you opened your VS code there, right? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay, in terminal what we have to do is we have to create these are the predefined commands to create a Maven project. Okay, so Maven, okay, type Maven colon in terminal. Start new file. That is welcome screen, right? Why? I mean, you are using till. I mean, it is already 10 days you are using VS Code. Then again, you are asking like a fresher. Close the welcome screen and click on this terminal. See, this terminal should be there. There is a option called terminal at the top. Click and new terminal. Okay, anyone please share your screen. Uh, that reveals you are not absolutely not practicing anything. Hmm. Okay, click on that triple dot at the top, top, not there, top. After, I mean, just beside view. Click on terminal, new terminal. Now you are in Selenium automation folder, right? Okay, fine. Um, I'm sharing my screen. Just follow this step by step. Okay. Um, so we'll create a Maven project, Maven based project. Okay. So how can I create that? The command line for this is, first we have to click, type Maven colon generate from archetype, ARCHETYPE, archetype. Okay, T is small letter, archetype. Oh, just a bit. For you, it should work. In my case, it is Maven colon generate from archetype. Hmm. Okay. Just a minute. Huh? So, what we can do is. Mm, 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 mm. Just a minute. How to create a Maven project in VS Code. This is I mean, it is a step by step process we have to follow. Just a minute. How to set up a Maven Java Maven project in VS Code. Maven project in VS Code. Right. Let's see. Okay, fine. Run this command instead. It should work for both Windows and my system. Okay, I am giving you this in the chat. Okay, and we have to edit. I mean, we have to edit the group ID and all. So let's say this is com dot uh, automation. This is the group ID, and this artifact ID is my project. Instead of my project, we'll write like this, my project. Okay, and Maven archetype quick start, that is fine. Yes, this should work for you. And also I'll also do the same thing. So just click, I mean just copy the command and paste it here. Okay, and run. So a Maven project is getting created. Okay, a Maven project is getting created. See, this my project should be created here. My project should be created here. uh, Here, can I mean my screen is visible, right? You can check it, I mean you can see this message portion here. It is not coming from where? Okay, now share your screen. Let's see. Anyone please share your screen, then we'll see. Yes. Hmm. Wait. It will take time. Take some time. So error. What is the error you are getting? Please verify you invoked this. Goal you specified a project to execute. There is no POM in this directory. Okay, please verify you invoke Maven from the correct directory. Maybe I mean, the command line you copied, can you please copy it in your in some notepad first and then check. Okay, did you try, I mean, have you tried before? No, right? So why it is getting this form thing? Type generate Maven archetype generate the group ID com dot automation the artifact ID my project. Okay, Maven archetype quick start, let's the interactive mode false, so directly it should create, right? Okay. No, that is not a problem, but you can check if I mean using some other folder name. Okay, you just delete that folder and create some folder name with no space in between, and do the same thing. Yes, close it first. Now create another folder with some name, right? Automation. Now open with code. Okay, yes trust. Right? Yes, I trust the author. Yes, I trust the author. Click on yes, I trust the author. Uh, Open a terminal. Now in the terminal, you run the command. Just wait. Just let me check. Minus d group id com dot automation, that is fine. Minus d artifact id my project. Maven archetype quick start, that is fine. Minus d interactive mode false. Okay, run it. The goal you specified requires a project to execute, but there is no POM in this directory. Please verify you invoke Maven from the correct directory. Okay. Maven is installed, right? Just type mvn minus v. Mvn. No. Here. Here. No, not command prompt. Here only. From terminal. From terminal. Mvn minus v. Enter. So it is showing, right? Everything is you can see it. So why you are getting that error? Mm, 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 mm. Oh, okay. Just a minute. Java home, Java person command is typed incorrectly. If I'm not getting the proxy. Acha, is there any proxy, or are you using your company's laptop, or is it personal, right? Mm, okay, so can you create one folder in D drive? Directly C drive may not have that, you know, go to D drive and create one folder and try from there. Hmm. Close it and open it. So where did you, okay, D drive and, okay. No, there is something problematic with your, maybe. Okay, do one thing. uh, Go to your edit environment variable for your account. Okay, maybe it needs some Maven home. Okay, so here you okay, first, no, just copy till 3.9.9 except bin. Okay, till, okay, copy the whole thing, whole thing. Okay, copy the whole thing and come outside. Okay, here click new. Arey, again open. Okay, click on new, no path, click on new. Maven home, right? Maven home, all capital, okay, Maven underscore home, just like we have written Java home, Maven home. Okay, and you paste the path and delete the bin, delete that bin, also that slash, yes. Now click on OK. Okay, now you are getting Maven home. Now go to path and edit, click on path and edit, just like you did Java home slash bin. Same way you just do Maven home slash bin, percent Maven home underscore home, percent slash front slash bin, bin. Hmm. Click and delete the above one, yes, delete it, fine. Okay, click on OK and again click on OK. Okay, now again do okay, close this terminal, or delete this terminal. Okay, open with VS Code and now you can try running that. Rupali, any progress? Okay, leave the meeting now and again join. Okay, and see if you can see the messages. Okay, okay, do one thing, restart your project, sorry, restart your whole system. Okay, restart your whole system. Also, I mean, Rupali also, just tell Rupali also. Rupali, okay. Mm. I'm pinging it, but you have to do one thing. You have to restart your machine first. Okay. Yes, system. Yes. Maven after Maven installation, it may require that. Otherwise, it's not working. So let's try with restarting. You got the command, right? Copy it somewhere. Copy it somewhere and restart your computer. Vanilla you do not have right now, right? Rupal, you can restart your computer. Yeah, sure. So vanilla, if you are not understanding anything, you just ask me upfront. Okay, don't hesitate. See, See, IntelliJ, you can directly from browser itself, you can create Maven project. Even for your Eclipse also, you can create Maven project. But the thing is, we are not using Maven. Sorry, we are not using Eclipse and IntelliJ, right? So there is a command line. There is a command line. What can be used? That can be used to create one Maven project. So that is the thing. It's nothing but you are creating a project. That's it. Okay. Rupali Nirmal, you restarted, right? Okay. Now check. Okay. Now try to run the command. See if otherwise I'll share the project. No worries. Hmm. Okay. You have not copied. Don't know why it is happening. In my previous batch also, they are also facing the same thing. Uh, but this is the command, right? This is the command. This is the command, but it's not working. Please verify you invoked Maven from correct directory. Um, I mean, only the Windows people were getting these kind of issues. Okay. they could not resolve it. Only thing, I shared the project, okay, through git I shared the project, then that project they had used, okay, that project. Practicing, you don't have to create it in your office, right? Yes, that is, you have to, you will practice Selenium. The project I will share, you just, you can use that. The project I will share, you can use that project. Anyway, let me check why it is not happening, because this thing I am not getting in my local. Okay, can you do one thing? Can you type it yourself? Just type it yourself. MVN, then archetype. Hmm. Uh, gen- all small, no capital letter. Minus D. Hmm. Group ID. Artifact ID. Minus D. Artifact ID. No, my artifact ID, my project, then space, then minus. Maven. TYPE. Quick start. Spelling mistake. QUICK. Space dash. Okay, space dash. Minus D. Minus D interactive. Mode equal to false. No, there is some issue. Okay. Wait, just a minute. Huh? Hmm? What? I didn't get that. What is that? Hmm. Hmm. Maven home bean is fine. It's okay. No, it's all fine. I checked it. Maven home bean path we need because MVN command is working. Anyway, MVN command is working from anywhere, right? So that is why your Maven things are all good. Okay. Just a minute. Let's see. Need download the Maven wrapper by running this command of your project. Okay. Okay. Do one thing. Run this command. Check if it is working. Okay. I am putting here. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Check if it is working. Build success. Very good. Now run this particular command. Okay. No. Just wait. Run this particular command now. Dot is also there. Copy it properly. Otherwise. Hmm. Hmm. Whew. Okay, fine. This is the directory D Selenium. Please verify you invoked Maven from correct directory. Help one to see the full stack trace. Again, you are getting this only. Okay, without dot slash you can put. Okay, you can put without dot slash. Or otherwise we can create dot slash is necessary for you. Without dot slash won't work. Run again. No, with dot slash. Okay, fine. Whatever you have done, just keep it with you. Okay. Now I am putting one. Uh, just create one file called pom.xml. Pom.xml. create one pom.xml, p small, all everything is small, pom.xml. Enter. Okay, now copy whatever I am copying here, just copy it, paste it to your pom.xml. Okay, just a minute. See. Check you are getting. Okay, till group id, this is partial. Okay, I am giving you the rest part. First copy it, whatever I have copied na, you just paste it in your pom.xml, and then till group id you got it right, till group id. Okay, okay, next you put, I mean whatever I got it, gave you. Okay, I'm putting a end of file kind of thing here, star. Okay, go below, scroll down. Yes, now whatever I will give, just copy it and paste it. What is that? WEHBTWESUD, what is that? And this JUnit group, there would be one closing that cross bracket. Line number 13 you delete. Okay, line number 14, just put a tab, again tab. Now control S, just put control S. Okay, now what you do is, in the root folder itself, you just create one folder. Okay, the folder would be src. The folder name should be src. Folder name should be src. Okay, now inside src, create two more folders. First is src main, main, not src main, only main. And another one is test. Inside src, so there would be two, src main and src test. Okay, now inside src, yes, src, where is src test? So there will be two, src main and src test. Now inside src main, you create src main, you create inside main you create java, and inside java you create folder, only folder I am talking about right now. Java, and inside java there would be com, inside com there will be automation. Got it? Done? Show me how it is. Okay, fine. The same thing you do in the test folder. Okay. Java com automation. So there would be two things: src main Java and src test Java. Okay. Okay, so again go to your pom.xml and go up little bit. Okay, name of the this name line number 8, right? Line number 8, you just change it to Selenium automation. Change it to Selenium automation. That sale automation, right? Whatever your folder name is, sale automation. Check if it is really in capital letter in your file system. Check it first. No, it is not capital. Just in go to D drive. Uh, so folder name should be same. Uh, right? Okay, fine. Uh, okay, that's it. I think it should work. Mm, just run one command, mvn clean install, mvn space clean install. Enter. There is pom.xml, right? Okay, save the pom.xml file. Save it. It's not saved. Now again run. Okay. What is that? Position text scene group id line number 12. Something is problematic in group id JUnit. Then artifact. Okay, inside dependencies, I'm giving you this dependency. Okay, or you can do one thing, you can just delete this dependency, delete this JUnit from dependency. No, not from dependencies, from line number 11 to line number 17. Delete. Now control S again, save it. Okay, again mvn clean install. So your Maven project is getting loaded. Okay, so your Maven project is getting loaded. So there will be one. Have you stopped sharing an email? Hello. Okay. Rupali, are you? Are you with me or you are? Location. Okay, share your screen. Okay, create one pom.xml file, pom.xml file in the root folder file. Uh, inside Selenium automation, whatever you have created, create one file called pom.xml, all small letter. Pom, 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 pom dot xml. Enter. And in pom.xml you put, just a minute. I am giving you in the chat, right? So no. I'll give you right now. I'm giving you. Okay, put it first. Okay, and then put this one. Have you entered in pom.xml? Pom.xml is blank totally. So you put na whatever I've pinged, just put it. What I just pinged? I just pinged whatever I pinged at the last. Okay. So you are getting that star line, right? Star. I pinged star. After star you just click. I mean after star you just copy. After star. Delete that star. Yes. Okay. Now whatever I will ping now, you just copy there. Okay. Now again I am putting a star, then I am copying or pasting this one. Okay, correct. Still project you copy and paste there in pom.xml. Correct. Wait. In line number 8, just change this my project to your Selenium, whatever you have written it, Selenium test. Just put there. Okay. Now Control S. Put a Control S. Now here in the root folder itself, you create mvn test java and mvn main java. Okay. First, sorry, not mvn. Oof, what I am saying. src. First, create one folder called src. Folder src. All small. Folder name all small. src. Inside src, you create main and test. Inside src, you create main and test. Folder, all folder. Main and test, src test. Yes, inside src there will be two folders. One is src main, one will be main and one will be test. No, it's not correct one. Delete the test folder. Okay, go to your folder structure, means your Windows folder, and create the folders. Go to your file system and create folders. Am I audible? Go to your file system. Go to your file system. Where you have created your automation folder, right? You just go to that automation. Right. Go to that automation folder. Hmm. Okay, now inside src folder you create another folder, src main. Hmm. Main. Only main. Hmm. Okay, inside main you create java, another folder called java. Inside java you create another folder, automation. Right, automation. Okay, come back to src again. Come back to src again. You could navigate it to the src by from that breadcrumb, right? Why you are? Arey, go to your automation folder, selenium test. Inside src create another folder called create another folder. Create, listen, inside src. Wait. Test, test, small, all small, huh? Test. Inside test, create java, new folder java. Inside java you create another folder called automation, same way. So right. So why this src test and src main is different? See, in foreign application, so this Maven Gradle we use for development also, right? So original application code will stay at src main java, and the test, okay, test means functional test. It could be functional test or unit test. Those tests will be written in src test java. So src test java is for running the test or writing the tests. Okay. So that is why for Maven as well as for Gradle there are two folders, two folder structure, src main java and src test java. Now go to your VS Code again and refresh the project. See, there is a refresh or reload. No, not there. Just where you create folder and files. Now there is another called third. No, don't click. Just hover. Okay, just hover on that folder. The third icon, can you see the third icon where you create? First is creating file, next is create folder, and then refresh the project. Yes, click on that. Correct, it is done now. Okay, now here you just at that in the terminal you write mvn in the terminal, not there in the terminal. Mvn space clean space test. Sorry, not test. Install. Yes, install. Install. Correct. Enter. Okay, your project is building now. So your project is now ready. Okay. The only thing you don't know how to create. You don't didn't practice. So anyway, we just practice this kind of things from IDE itself. Okay, you don't have to go to file system again and again, right? So again and again, I am saying be hands on. Otherwise, there will be no value of this training. Be hands on. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me create. Let me share my screen now. We'll do. I'll take some more time. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll do the first Selenium code today. Okay, just please bear with me. I know today is Friday night, but it's okay. 2 दिन का छुट्टी दे दूंगा मैं, Saturday or Sunday. So see, this is what we have right now. Okay, now I'll okay. So let me delete this folder. Okay, sorry, this file, mm, and also this file app test. Okay, you do not have these files because you have created this manually. Okay, now what you do in the main java com automation, leave it, taste java com automation, click on automation. Okay, click on automation, create file, my first Selenium code dot java, one java file, create one java file. Hmm. Hmm. Yes, automation. Okay, inside that you have created this my first Selenium code. Now we have to what? We have to import the Selenium jar files, right? Selenium jar files or Selenium library. From where we will install? We'll go to Maven. Okay, we'll go to Maven. So Selenium, type it. Okay, in Google, go to browser and type Selenium Maven dependency. Selenium Maven dependency. Enter. You will get this mvnrepository.com. Okay, you will get this mvnrepository.com. Go there and you will get, see, the latest version of Selenium is 4.24.0. Are you with me? See, Selenium Maven dependency, just see, dependency. So first one, mvnrepository.com artifact.org. Go to that link. Okay. So what is the latest version you are seeing? 4.24.0, right? 4.24.0. When it is published? August 28, 2024. You are getting this page? Just see, look at my screen and type in Google. This one. I'm not getting. Okay, share your screen. Share your screen first. Mm. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Now you are getting right, Rupali. Till, till this page. You just wait for me. Okay. Just a minute. Let me share my screen again. So what you have to do, I'll show you. So this is Selenium again. Hmm. So this one you got till this page. You are in this page, right? Now let's not go to the latest version. Let's go one below, okay, where August 9 it was published. See, Selenium 4.23.1, 4.23.1. Okay, let's go there. Okay, now see here, if you are selecting Maven tab, you are getting this dependency. You have to just click on it, it will be automatically copied. Okay, or you can copy it from here. Okay, copy it, everyone. First, first this Maven tab you click, then so just okay, just uncheck this particular checkbox. Okay, uncheck this particular checkbox. If you are checking it, just uncheck it. Done. Now copy this dependency. Okay, the whole thing, whole content, copy. You copy. Okay, now go to pom.xml. Go to pom.xml. Hmm. See, there is a dependencies just below this dependency ends for JUnit. Huh? For uh, see, this is one dependency will create another dependency. Yes, right. In pom.xml, we'll create or we'll copy the dependency you have copied. Yes. So where you will paste this line number, where you will find this dependency slash dependency, means this is the end of previous dependency. Okay, this is the end of previous dependency, means in our case it is JUnit dependency. So I think Nirmal's case we do not have JUnit. Okay, so you directly inside these dependencies braces, inside this dependencies section, you just paste it. Okay, okay, now simply control S. Build was modified. Do you want to synchronize the Java class path configuration? Click on yes. Or you will get some automatically your Java file is getting imported. Here is some control S means saving the file. Yes. Just put control S. There should be some process. Okay, there should be some process going on at that lower part. Okay, just do it. Okay, anyone is sharing screen? Okay, fine. Let me unshare my screen and then we'll see. Okay, can you share it again, Nirmal? Can you just share it again? Stop sharing and okay, fine. Okay, so it's okay. I just put Control S. Dependencies, everything was okay. Okay, fine, fine. Go to that Java file what we just created. Where it is? POM is no. I have created one Java file inside src test Java. Yes. Okay. Create one file. You forgot. In src test Java automation. In src. No, no, not there. In automation inside src test Java automation. Huh. Click on automation. Now create file. My first automation. M capital. My first automation dot Java. Dot Java. Uh, enter. Install. Click on install. Let it be completed first. No, not just close it. Close that. Okay. And your process is still analysis process is going on. See, at the bottom you will see this RHD analysis in progress. Java activating. So let that process complete it. Okay. Okay, fine. Just click on enable, not a problem. So you are done. Now just put class CLASS class. And click on create on main method. Right. So what is the browser you have? Chrome browser you have, right? No, you have Chrome browser in install. No, Edge is we are not interested in Edge because Edge is used very. Edge is not very common. Chrome is most common browser. Okay. So here you write web driver, capital W, web driver. Yes. Space driver equal to new Chrome driver space C capital Chrome. Yes. Okay. Semicolon. Sorry. Semicolon. Close it. Okay. Now next line driver dot close. Driver dot close. Now run the program. Run it. returning the closest version found 127. Please update to a Selenium version that. So okay, your Chrome version is. Can you just update your Chrome? Just update it. Settings and then update Google Chrome. Just open Google Chrome in settings. You have it, right? I mean, I don't know why it is. Acha, who's Chrome, right? You just enter. I mean, click on your Nirmal's name. Okay, fine. Now go to that right side, right corner, triple dot. Okay, and there would be some settings. Okay, you just scroll it down. There is a lower arrow. Just click it. Yes, settings. And is there any update? No, right? Autofill. Is there any update option? No. You should get update option if it is not updated. Or you can also invoke Edge browser. Okay, just instead of Chrome driver, you put Edge driver. Instead of Chrome driver, you put Edge driver. Edge driver, right? No, it's not the correct syntax. You have to put opening bracket and closing bracket. Yes, now it should work if you have proper Edge browser. Okay. So what are you getting? You are getting some, but your Edge browser was invoked, but it is okay. Connection reset. So can you run again? Can you run again? Okay, now it is fine. Now it is fine, right? No, it's but your browser opened, right? Your browser opened. No worries. Yeah. So maybe your Chrome also opened, but in headless mode somehow. Okay, somehow, because you didn't get any error. So congratulations, this is your first Selenium code. You have invoked the browser, interacted with the browser. Okay, fine. Now Rupali. Yes, please. Chrome driver, just quick fix. Go to quick fix. Okay, no. Web driver, there is. Oh, you have created a web driver class. No, right? Just delete that web driver class. You have created one web driver class. Below my first Selenium Java, below that Java file, you have created a WebDriver class, WebDriver.java class. See in the file structure. Yes. Close it. Delete. Just delete. Last option. Okay, fine. Delete the whole code. Delete the whole code. Maybe Yes, line number 9 and line number 10 just delete. Okay. So can you show me your pom.xml? Inside dependencies there is a dependency, that is fine. uh, the same, I mean, whatever thing I follow me. Line number 20 से line number 24 इसको cut करो. हाँ, including those brackets, cut it. Okay, now where this dependency is getting ended for JUnit, it is line number 17, right? Line number 17, yes. Okay, in line number 17 just go to end and put an enter. Now paste it. Wait, just paste it here. Whatever you cut it, you just paste it here. Okay, now control S, control S. Now yes, click on yes. Build was modified, build file was modified. Now it is building your Java. Okay, now it is Java ready. Now go to your my first Selenium code Java file. Now inside main method type web driver, W capital, web D capital. Are you getting? No, right? Okay, not coming. Okay, fine. Go to, okay, delete it. Delete this line number 9, whatever you have written. Okay. Here in the terminal, you just run mvn clean install. Mvn clean install. Clean install. Yes, mvn clean install, right? Now using this, if automatically your dependencies are not getting downloaded, using this mvn clean install, it will download with fresh thing. Okay, so now you try web. See, now you are getting web driver, space driver equal to new Chrome driver. Web driver is an interface, so cannot be instantiated. Chrome driver is implementation class, so that is why we are using Chrome driver. Okay, now driver.close. Close, close, close. Okay, now try to run it. Allow access. Now it should close it. Okay, so congratulations, you both have created your first automation script. Okay, the basic automation script. Happy? Fine. So next day we will deep dive into automation. Okay, Selenium automation, different methods. We will learn all those things. And please practice. What I saw today is absolutely you both of you are not hands-on. No, you have to get that. It's not like that. It's problem with VS Code. Okay, it's problem with you. So you have to be confident. Okay, these kind of things are not a problem with VS Code. It could happen that your automation or your code is not running in some cases. That is problem with VS Code, because anyway we are using open source softwares, right? But creating folders, if you are not confident enough, um, um, anyone can I mean catch you, right? You are not hands on. Okay, so please be hands on with these kind of things. Okay, and we have to increase some speed, right? We have to increase some speed, more speed, right? So Ganpati is over, everything is over. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, please practice. Okay. And Vanilla, please get ready with your machine, otherwise. Whatever, I mean, you can also use your office laptop also. You can also use your office laptop also, right? If you have a office laptop, you can join here, you can join from here in your from your personal system, and you do practice in your office laptop now. Why you do? Now I mean, is it working now? Then it's you can do this. Okay. So have you installed those things? I mean, Maven. You should request those people only to install Google Chrome and all. Just, or otherwise you can also install it from your software center. I mean, Infosys has it. Hmm. So anyway, do the needful. Otherwise, I am feeling bad basically.